Hi, my name is Eshwar. I'm a user experience researcher. I would give Maze 5 out of 5 stars, and for more reviews, click below. My main use for Maze is as a side grade to other survey software. In the past, we've used traditional ones like Qualtrics, but these didn't really fill the niche for prototype testing that we need as a user experience researcher. So I use Maze mostly for testing prototypes that we make in software like Figma or Sketch or Adobe XD. And we put those prototypes into Maze, run them through there, and we get feedback on how people respond to these prototype applications, be it where they click, where they misclick, and then some qualitative, quantitative input on how they feel about it. Some of the big positives about Maze are the feature set, what they offer in terms of questions and survey logic. You can have the option to get heat maps and recordings, which gives us a wealth of data to be able to explore. For the alternatives that we compared it to, the pricing scheme was the best, and it's also got a very easy drag and drop system. So when we onboarded new researchers, they were able to very easily familiarize themselves with it rather than have to onboard them with a detailed training course. It's also very good for teamwork, and it integrates great with our existing software. For example, we use Figma and Slack, and very conveniently, Maze integrates just perfectly with those. In terms of what I dislike about Maze, I'd say there's a somewhat limited variety in questions. So as a more complex researcher using software like Qualtrics, there's some in-depth survey logic that might be missing that would be nice to have. Another downside I'd say is that you can't really buy additional responses. You'd have to upgrade the plan that you're on. So if you max out on the number of responses you have in a month, you'll need to upgrade the plan, which can be a bit frustrating. Also, the testing panel that Maze offers is quite expensive, so I would recommend that you go to a different source to source your participants. But I will say that Maze is constantly improving. Some of the features that I've mentioned have improved in the 6-7 months that I've been using them. For example, previously they only offered prototype testing, and now you can test on a live website. So that's a really good positive from them.